How to log into your Santander Bank's online banking account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into your Santander Bank's online banking account through their mobile app. Now, first of all, in order to do that, you need to open your App Store or Play Store. Once you're in the App Store, in the search bar, you need to type Santander Bank and then you need to hit search. Once you have done that, you need to tap on Get over here, Santander Mobile Banking. Then you need to tap on Install. Now you need to wait for some time for the installation to complete. Now that the app is downloaded, you need to simply open the app. Then you need to click on Next. Here you need to tap on to log into your account. Simply tap on Login. Before you log in, you need to accept all the terms and conditions, so simply tap on Accept. Now you can log in by entering your ID. After that, you need to tap Continue. Once you enter your password, you will be successfully logged into your Santander Bank online banking account. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.